All right, hello. What we're going to be doing here today is I have a equivalent to a K&N filter or breather, whatever you want to call. And this one needs a little bit of cleaning, right? So first, what I'm going to do is make sure the bike is cool in the area where you can work. So now I have to remove this filter, right? Any filter could be different. You could have 1 bolt, 2 bolts. In my case, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts. So what I'm going to do is I'm quickly going to undo the bolts. Okay. I'm just going to place this on the side. And then we're going to continue on with cleaning. Okay. Come out. Okay, and 1 more bolt. Okay, so here we go. This is an air filter for my bike, 2014 Yamaha Bolt. Okay, so as you can see, it's still not too bad, but right here we have a little bit of discoloration and a little bit of corruption, like the bugs are stuck in here. So first thing what I'm going to do is I'm just going to come up here and I'm going to blow it from the inside out. And as you can see, there's a lot of stuff that's coming out. Oh yeah. And okay, this is good enough. So next, what we're going to do is I have this. I purchased this K&N recharger or cleaning kit, right? First thing what I'm going to do is we're going to spray the air filter cleaner, and I'm just going to go and spray it all over the place. Okay, move it all the way around. Okay, and on the inside. And we need to leave this for a few minutes so they can actually dissolve the whole thing. Okay, this may take 15 minutes, 20 minutes. I'm not really sure. We're going to leave it here for 20 minutes, and I'm going to come back, and then we're going to continue on. So it's been 20 minutes or so. So the filter is actually, this is what it looks like. So now all I'm going to do is I'm going to go and rinse it out with a hot water. Now some of the stuff is here corrupted. There's a lot of stuff, so I have a little brush, and I just agitate it a little bit more. Right? Hopefully it's going to come out. So now what I'm going to do is I have hot water right here, and I'm just going to run it right from the inside, and you can see how dirty the filter is. Look at this, right? That's how you want to do it. I just quickly rotate it. And oh, see, right here, this is the spot where I have the most dirt. Okay, so just quickly have a quick inspection, and this actually looks pretty good. Now, if your filter is still dirty, you may have to repeat this process one more time. Right, this right here. Now we're going to go outside, and I'm going to place this out on the sun so it air dries. What you don't want to do, you don't want to start blowing all the water, everything out of here, because you may damage the filter. Okay, well, we're outside. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this filter out here right now for about, I don't know, hour or two till it's bone dry. And I'm just going to leave it right here. And what you want this filter to be air dried. So I'm just going to leave it, well, maybe it's going to start rotating. I'll just leave it like that. And once it's dry, I'm going to put it back on. The air filter right now is bone dry, no other problem. Right, so now we're going to go and apply the air filter oil. And this particular one is in red. So what I want to do is I just want to spray. I don't want to spray it on the inside. I'm going to spray everything on the outside. And just even coats. Okay? Okay. Okay, we're good. We don't want to do it too much. Then also, I'm just going to spray it right here in the middle. Okay, good. And now I'm going to leave this here for about maybe 10 or 15 minutes. That way it soaks right in and it's not going to drip all over my motorbike. So I'll see you in about 15 minutes. Okay, it's been 10-15 minutes and there's no drips. I'm just going to wipe some of the excess oil so it's not too oily. But other than that, this is good to go. So now what we're going to do, just come over here. Now we're just going to reinstall this. So just going to plug this guy in. Put a first bolt right in there like this. Realign it. Maybe we'll go on the top one. Okay. Okay, so this is it. So basically what we have learned right here is how to service your air filter really quickly. All right, and if you really like the video, please subscribe, give me a like, and share this video if it helped you out. See you on the next one.